All right, everyone. So today in this webinar, we are going to most requested index pair, the Bank Nifty back testing session. Okay, that how you can trade based on structure, based on liquidity, and based on inducement. There are different things you need to understand before taking any trade. So and this is just a little bit different because some people not trade in a bank nifty. Most of the traders here in a community members trade in a forex, and basically bank nifty trader trade only uh, Indians members. Okay, but this is important because so many members are requesting in every week that you have to do bank nifty or nifty back testing also. So this is special only for a bank nifty trader, but if you wish, then you can definitely join. And because same thing, same process will be applicable in a bank nifty also in an index for everyone. It's important. This is not necessarily only for bank nifty trader. This is important for all members. It doesn't matter that you are trading in a bank nifty or not, right? So let's start this session. First of all, open the chart and then let's see. Hold on. All right, so let's start. And first of all, start from a bank nifty chart. All right, so and this is a bank nifty right now. This is happening in a bank nifty in a higher time frame perspective. Okay, and let's okay. So this is our bank nifty chart in a daily time frame perspective, and you can see market momentum is a bullish and continue going upside every time market taken out the inducement type on extreme type on inducement like the seasonal PY and going upside, right? But as a trader, you have to focus only few things like daily candlestick structure, and second thing, lower time frame structure. As a trader, you have to mark the previous day high or low as a liquidity. If market momentum is a bullish, then market taken out the previous day low, then very highly chances market will gives you momentum to the upside, because market taken out the liquidity, and liquidity always against side. If market is a bearish and taken out the high, then market gives you momentum to the downside. And next thing, you have to understand the structure base means when market break the structure like previous measure high low, then market create taken out the inducement, then tap any recent unmitigated order block, then you can take entry, or tap on your extreme order block, then you can also take entry. So these are 2-3 things you need to understand before taking any trade. So first of all, look at this one. And I want to mention one more thing here. As a day trader, right, you have to follow like focus on few things, like previous day high, low, you can mark. Okay, but majority of the time, how you can deal in this situation? First of all, look at this one. This is a bullish structure here, right? And everything is a bullish here. Okay, and this is our bearish leg here. This one, this is a bearish leg and bullish leg, everything. And this is applicable in a both side of uh, both side of a direction. Okay, simply you have to focus on major structure broken, taken out the inducement, tap any like unmitigated order block or create a single candle order block, then you can take entry. Second thing, you can also play based on like you can also play in an internal structure also, right? So first of all, you have to mark the structure here. This is a simple for you. I'm going to make you make this a simple for everyone. So you have to do, let me first of all enable. Okay, so now this is our 15-minute bank nifty chart. Now you have to mark the structure here. Everyone, you can annotate here to mark a proper higher high, higher low, everyone, because this will help you a lot. Okay, all right, only mark higher high and higher low only. No need to mark inducement or anything, because it's complicated and drawing so many run, that's why. Okay. Okay, perfect. All right, so many drawings actually. Yes, sir. I will do a bar play, but this is just a normal discussion. Okay, but just I'm going to just ask you that how you are marking the structure, right? No need to worry anything. Okay, look at this one. First of all, you have to mark the structure. I'm starting from bottom of the move, and like here you can also start. You can start anywhere, what whatever you want. Like here, this is our higher high and higher low, and break the structure. And this point become our break of structure. And where is inducement? Inducement here, right? Again, break this structure, and you have to mark here where is our like inducement. So in this case, you can see so many like types of more complicated pullback here, you can see. So I think we should start from bar play. Okay, now perfect. Structure with everything will be clear one by one. Okay, so let's wait for it. to break the structure, which is happen here. And after break of structure, you have to mark here where is our inducement. You can see in this case, only one pullback is here. So market must be taken out this one, and this is our inducement right here, right? So if price taken out this inducement, then definitely we can buy. Okay, because this is our inducement. And you can buy here in a two possible scenario. First one is if market taken out the inducement and sweep and based on single candle order block. Second thing, if price tap any recent unmitigated order block, then you can also buy here like this, right? So this is a current situation. If market get any order block like here, right? So we can also buy here based on single candle order block, as we know, as per the trading plan, right? So let's see what happened next after this one. Okay, push downside and create new high. Okay, all right, everyone, perfect. So our inducement will be also transfer here to here. You can see this is our inducement because the first pullback is here, small pullback and go higher. And this after taking out the inducement, where is our unmitigated order block? Unmitigated order block here, this one, right? Because everything is mitigated above it. You can see only one unmitigated order block is here. And next one is here. If market taken out this inducement and create single candle order block, then definitely you can buy here because momentum is a bullish and everything looks bullish, right? So let's see and wait for it to taken out this one or create new structure. Okay. All right. At this point, you can see inducement transfer here to here because this become our new pullback here like this, right? And this become our new pullback here, and then again push upside and create new pullback here like this, right? Everything is correct here. Okay, this one correct. So market generally taken out this one, and you have to wait for it to create single candle order block to confirm a valid buyer setup here, right? Okay, right. You can see this candle taken out the liquidity and next candle broken this high, and there is a no candle closer here, but you can see at this point candle close out it, and this become our single candle order block, and this is our first entry. And remember one thing, this is our decisional entry here, right? This is our decisional PY because this is only after taking out the investment you have to buy here based on single candle order block, and now you have to buy on the this one is also, and here this is extreme, right? So after taking out this high, taken out this inducement, our higher is a confirm here. So simply you can buy here. So when we can buy, this is a 15-minute chart. If market taken out the like inducement, you can buy in a lower time frame chalk flip also. And the second thing, you can also buy based on 1 minute refinement as COB, right? Because candlestick, single candlestick confirmation here. What happened? Excuse me. Okay. Mitigate this one, order block mitigate here. And now you can switch here in a 1 minute time frame. Oh, I think data is not available. Okay, so data basically available at this point. Okay, it's okay. Now I'm going to explain this part because this part is not available to Barplay, but it's okay. Here you can see this is our single candle order block. Tap here and you will see here a refinement order block at this point. And when market create any refinement order block, you will see so many order blocks are available here, right? But you have to follow same principle like tap on 1 minute refinement order block and create chalk flip entry, then you can buy here, right? Because market taken out the inducement. But if you are buying only based on candlestick sweep, then you don't need to wait for chalk flip or anything. Simply press tap on 1 minute refinement order block, create a single candle order block in 1 minute and then enter. Simple. And put the stop loss candlestick above the higher low, right? So this is a basically entry here for the buy. And put the stop loss just below it. And this is a 15-minute chart. When you switch in a 1 minute time frame, then you will see very large your risk reward, right? And now you have to do again same thing here. Now market momentum is a bullish, and now you have to check the previous day high or low, everything. Okay, so you can enable the previous day high or low, previous high broken, push downside. And remember one more thing here. If previous day high is a broken, then you have to buy after taking out the inducement here. At this point, you can buy here. And same thing happen in a bearish market. If previous low broken, right, and taken out the inducement and then sell, right? Okay. So yeah, previous day high broken at this point. This is a previous day high, is a broken, and then you have to buy here after taking out the inducement and then buy. So where is our inducement in this case? Look at this picture. This is a previous day high. Okay. And this is a previous day high is a broken here. And this is a not matter the which candle color is a broken. If sweep, just sweep, right? In that case, you have to also prepare in a both side of probability. Okay. This one, and you have to wait for it. So generally, where is our inducement in this case? You can see this point because this is a small pullback here and market go higher. So after taking out the inducement, you can buy here. How? You can buy here based on single candle order block confirmation here. Because this part we are not able to bar play. After that, I will do. Right. So this is a point when you can buy. Because this candle taken out the liquidity and this shadow is unmitigated shadow here, and you have to switch here in a 1 minute time frame, chalk flip, and then you can buy here because structure sweep here. That's why, right? And target at least the previous high, and this is the next possible entry here for the buy. Again, break the structure, I mean break the previous high. Okay, and previous high is a broken, and now you have to wait for it to take out the inducement. So in this case, where is our inducement? Look at this picture very carefully. In this case, there is a no inducement. If there is a no inducement, it means you have to shift your inducement and higher high, like this higher high transfer here to here, and this inducement transfer here to here. So this is an inducement. This low act like a inducement, and this low also act like our the previous day low, right? This one. So basically you have to buy when previously high is a broken, taken out the inducement and then buy. Simple at this point. Okay. And this is our next higher high is here. Let me close this one. This is a higher high and the higher low is here, right? And this is up, sorry. This point become our break of structure here. This one is also break of structure. And after break of structure, how you can deal in this situation? Simply, you have to do a similar thing like after taking out the inducement, we can buy. So now I think it's work in a lower time frame. Let me check it. Okay. So right now you can see after break of structure, where is our inducement? This one, because this is a pullback. If market taken out this one, then we can buy here, right? And where is our unmitigated order block at this point? This one, okay? Let's see. Here you can see market create new, break the previous high, push downside and taken out this one or not. No, this is I think this is not taken out in this one. If taken out, then this become our area of interest for the buy. Partially taken out. Okay. So here you can buy based on single candle order block at this point. Here. In this case, you have to refine your lower time frame entry. And why? Because it's selling candle and then buy and next candle cover the previous high and close out it. And next third candle mitigate and this POI, this order block and then go higher. Right. After taking out this become this point become our higher high. But problem is here, in this case, you can see there is no candle close of it, structure of it. That's why this is not a valid higher high, right? This higher high is not valid here because break of structure is still not like confirm here. This is a Paris candle. I'm sorry. This one. I think, let me check this one. Okay, this is a gap down. So basically this is our bearish candle and close here. Okay. And then next candle open here. Okay. However, there is no candle here close of it. Right. But now you have to wait for it to take out the inducement before the buy. So this is not a valid here entry. You have to wait for it to take out the inducement again. This is a pullback. And then mark this high. No, this is not. Because this is an internal move between this candle high and low. So you have to wait for it. This one is also not valid here. Okay. And you have to buy here after taking out the inducement only. And right now there is no opportunity as per the 15-minute time frame. Okay, all right. This one, I think this, no. Okay. So finally, market actually taken out this inducement here. And after taking out the inducement, suddenly we are willing to buy here. So which point we can buy? In this case, you have to understand here. After taking out this one, there is no single candle order block. You have to wait for to mitigate your first PY. So right now you can see only one order block. Which one is here? So if price mitigate this one, okay, and then you can buy. And second thing is here, you can see FVG, fair value gap here, right? First one is a order flow. Second thing is a FVG, and next last one is a order block. So basically three types of a POI you have to mark here. So order flow is a very larger, and order like FVG is a refined version of the order flow, and order block is a extreme, okay, extreme refined POI. Okay, so if price tap any unmitigated like your POI on FVG and create single candle order block, then you can take entry, right? Also, if price tap on your order block, then you can also take entry. If price tap on your unmitigated order flow, then you can also take entry for the buy, right? Okay, so let's see what happened next after this one. All right, this is your FVG and this is your order block here, right? So let's see what happened next after this one. Now you have to check here the previous day, the high is broken here. Okay, so okay. So let's first of all, we are just checking the by the structure. Okay, and after that, I will do also uh, show you by based on the previous day high or low, because if you combine both things, then you will be confused. So first of all, try to catch trade based on the structure. And the next step, I will show you through previous day high low broken. Okay, when market breaking the previous day high or low, and then market taken out the inducement, and then you can buy sell also, right? And then those steps are very simple, because every day market break the previous day high or low. Okay, but this is based on only based on structure. Okay, all right. This one is your fair value gap, and if market create here a single candle order block, then you have to switch here in a lower time frame to check lower time frame confirmation, and then you can also buy here. This is the first PY, and this is the next one, right? So let's see. Okay. All right. Market start creating the reaction here. Okay, market start a reaction here. Okay, so first of all, you have to identify a single candle order block. Right now there is no single candle order block, both are equal high, there is no candle close of it, and this point is a candle close of it right here. Okay, if next candle mitigate this one, and then you can definitely take entry, and you have to refine here in a 1 minute time frame to check also. Okay, And one more thing, if you wish to buy directly here, then you can also buy here, put the stop loss just below it as a refinement. And for the safety purpose, you can put the stop loss just below it, right? And where is target? Target is a previous measure high. This one is our target. Like this, okay? Let's see. Okay, mitigate this order block. Okay, if I switch here in a 1 minute time frame to check there is an unmitigated order block or anything here, then we can get more clear, better entry here. Like to reduce risk and maximize your reward. Here you will see first PY is here at this point, and next one here, and third one is here. So basically in this single candle order block, you will see 3 order block. First one is here, and next one is here, and third one is here, right? But if you are buying any order block, like first one, second one, and third one, and just below it to put the stop loss just below is a safer side, and put the stop loss just below the order block is a risky always, because this is a entire a PUI, right? That's why. So this is a order block. First one is here, and next one is here, and this is our third. In a first attempt, tap here, and you have to wait for it to create single candle order block, which one create here at this point, because this candle covered by the next one, and upcoming candle mitigate this part. So simply you can buy here and put the stop loss just below it. And target here. And at this point, okay. And also, if you wish to buy based on chalk, then you can also buy when price tap on PY. Right now, you can see there is any chalk confirmation here. Yes, which is our first pullback. This one, chalk, taken out the inducement, mitigate this one, and put the stop loss just below it. So this one is also a valid entry for the buy based on it, right? And you can see this one is also flip, give reaction and failed and buy, right? So let's see what happened next after this one. Oh, check it again, 15-minute time frame. This entry, this one is a refined entry, almost hit our stop loss, and this is our actual entry based on a 15-minute candlestick. This one, okay. All right, okay, going good. Again, you have to follow the same thing, like taking out the inducement and then buy. So this is our first entry based on 1 minute time frame. This is a here. This is almost nearly stop loss, almost stop loss hit, right? Okay, but this is a valid setup for the buy. Okay, when you see like this setup, then definitely you can buy here. As per our plan, this is a valid entry for the buy. Okay, and this one is also a valid entry for the buy. Now again, you have to switch here again to taken out the inducement, and first of all you mark the structure first. This point become our higher high is here and higher low. And this point become our break of structure because candle close over it. And now you have to wait for it to taken out the inducement. So in this case, where is our inducement? Here, which is market already taken out the inducement, and now you have to wait for it to taken out the tab on your PY. So right now, where is our PY? You can see. This candle is broken by this one. So generally this one. Why? Because just below it, everything is mitigated here, right? Because market taken out the inducement here. This is a pullback like this. Taken out the inducement, push downside, and this high sweep here, you can also sort here, but this is a low probability entry for the sell. You have to catch the high probability entry. Taken out the inducement, this one is a mitigate here. So everything is mitigate here. You have to wait for it to mitigate this one and create any single candle order block you can buy here, right? So let's see what happened next after this one. Okay. Okay. So press tab here. Okay. And gives a small reaction here and create chalk flip or single candle order block in a 15-minute time frame, then you can buy here, right? So always I will prefer to take a single candle uh, order block confirmation before the buy like this. You can see how pretty price type here and gives us a reaction here and close of it. So you can buy here, right? And now you can also buy based on chalk and flip, right? So if you want to refine this zone in a 1 minute time frame, you can also refine, okay, like this, everything, this one. So first of all, you have to identify how many unmitigated PY, unmitigated order block is here. First one and extreme, only 2 PY, right? If you wish to buy directly, then you can also buy here, put the stop loss just below it. If you blink to buy here, then you can also buy, but put the stop loss just below it, right? But if price type here and create 1 minute, and this is a 1 minute time frame and 1 minute single candle order block, which will gives you more like additional confirmation before the buy, right? But let's see if price type or not. Let's back into 15-minute time frame to check. No, let's check in a 1 minute chalk flip. Sorry, 15-minute. Let's wait for it to mitigate this one. I think no, this one is a miss. This entry miss here, right? Higher high, and this become our higher low, right? And this point become our break of structure. Okay, so this point of become our break of structure. Here you can see there is no mitigate any lower time frame or higher time frame opportunity, but this setup is a valid here for the buy, right? Sometime you will see catch trade, sometime you hit the stop loss, sometime miss the trade also, right? It's all about probability. And now you have to check here there is any unmet inducement here. You will see this pullback, right? Market must be taken out, everything is mitigated here. So we have only this PY and this PY, only 2 PY is here for the buy. So you have to wait for it to mitigate them, then we can take a decision for the buy. If inducement sweep, then you can buy based on single candle order block also. And these are extreme, right? So let's see, wait for it. Okay. This inducement transfer here to again here. These are equal low. This is a not inducement taken out, right? So you have to wait for it. Okay. Still not taken out. Based on structure, there is no like entry create here. Now, finally taken out the inducement at this point. So after taking out the inducement here, our higher high is a confirm here. And when we can buy here, in this case, you can see this is our first PY after taking out the inducement. And where is our next extreme PY here? Right. So generally we can buy here on two PY, first one and second one. And you can take additional confirmation as a SCOB, single candle order block also. Okay. There is no SQB right now. Everything create liquidity. No, there is no structure confirm here. Okay, but market respect very well as per our plan. Create here, and there is no single candle order block confirmation here, because this is our last selling candle. Market must be close of it, then we can take entry for the buy. Right. Again, break the structure here. And after taking out the inducement, same thing happen here. You can buy here. In this case, you can see there is any unmitigated order block or anything. And this one is our higher low. This low sweep here. And when market sweep the higher low, then market gives momentum to the upside, which is a strong indication for the reversal, right? Okay. Let me check this one. These are equal low or sweep. Yes, equal. Almost sweep or equal low also. If equal low, this is also valid. If not equal low, this one also valid, because this can create a single candle order block here. Right. Next candle close of it, and you can buy here and put the stop loss just below it. And target our it. This one. Right. Okay. This one is our valid loss. Right. Because market taken out the main low and sweep this one and create a single candle order block, and you can take entry here for the buy. Right. So this one is our valid entry for the buy. Okay. And the structure is our here. Higher high, higher low, broke this one and close below it. Now, what do you do in this case? I mean, how you can deal in this case? Like previous structure measure low broken means chalk happen here, right? And when market momentum is a bullish, and then in a little bit higher time frame, those chalk can be your another time frame inducement, right? So you have to sell or buy very carefully when market create chalk in a higher time frame. Okay. And always you have to take additional confirmation before the buy or sell. Okay. So right now, this is our chalk happen here. So again, you have to do this one is an inducement. When you can sell here, can sell here. These are two PY, right? Okay, but first PY is a failed, then you can sell. First inducement is a failed here, then you can buy for the extreme order block as per our trading plan. Okay, so let's see what happened next after this one. Market up here, no. This one is a trap here and give reaction, and you have to wait for it to create a single candle order block, and you can take entry here for the sell, right? Okay, there is no single candle order block. Okay, now looks good. Now you have to check here in a 1 minute time frame, refinement order block is a mitigate here or not, because this is extreme here. Is absolutely tap here, and when press tap here on your refinement order block, you can take entry here for the sell. This one, right? And wait for chalk and flip. Press tap on your refinement 1 minute order block, and then you have to wait for it to create like chalk and flip entry module. Then you can take entry here also. I'm going to show you first of all M15 SCOB. Yeah. This side. Because this candle taken out the liquidity, right? Push downside and come back to mitigate this one and push downside, because this is our decisional PY and this is a refinement. Okay, so when price taken out the inducement, this one, and tap on your PY and lower time frame refinement tap here and wait for chalk flip as we have done, and then you can take entry for the sell. So now you have to switch here in a 1 minute. Yeah. Taken out this inducement here, right? And after taking out the inducement, when up we can sell. In this case, you can sell two types. First one, inducement sweep here, push downside. You can take entry here at this point also. At this point. Right. And this one is our next PY here. Okay. So this entry is also valid here, but you have to put the stop loss at least just above it, and safer side is above it, because this is our 15-minute candlestick sweep right here. Okay, and this is our refinement, because we have a two PY, first here and second here, right? So let's see, and target at least the low. Yeah. Let's see. Okay, tap here and wait for it to create a single candle order block also for additional confirmation. Okay, All right. Okay. This one. And this is our next possible entry here. Okay. And let's see. Again, market taken out the previous candle high. All right. And you can sell here also. Put the stop loss just over it, because this candle taken out the previous candle high, and you can put the safer side stop loss here. Okay. All right. Perfect. This main low is a broken here. You can take a small partial and if you wish, and also you can put your stop loss on a break even point. So it's up to you. But at this point, I will suggest you to put the stop loss on break even, not a partial, because market just drop almost 1 or 2 hour. So okay. Okay, now you can take a partial here, because market drop a very uh, heavily a downside move. Okay, so this is our target point, meet here, right? At least put the target, because this is a main structure. If you mark the structure here based on inducement structure, sweep, this high and this low, and this is our last high, and here. Yes, correct. Switch again in a 15-minute time frame. Perfect. Yes, this is a target here, final target, because market was bullish, create chalk, taken out the inducement, tap on PY, uh, create a single candle order block in a 15-minute time frame and lower time frame, also chalk and flip, and 1 minute single candle order block confirmation, and then enter. Yeah. And this is also based on chalk, because the previous broken chalk taken out the inducement, mitigate your order block here, and you can take entry here also, right? Chalk taken out the inducement, tap here and push downside. Okay, so first of all, open the chat section. So everything is clear, everyone? Okay, thank you. There are order block valid or not? Which order block you are talking? Muhammad Hamad. Please don't send remote access. Yes, sir. You can also set a major target here also. this one. This is a major low here. If you wish, you can 22 hour. This one is also, you can set target here. Target simply, sir, you can uh, mark the previous high or low as a target also, because in a bank as a day trader, you have to cut sometime, you have to cut same day position. That's why inside valid. Which one inside, sir? Now to understand, what are you saying? Please. Okay, this order block. Let me check this one. Okay, this one. Okay. Understand. Actually, what happened here? Look at this one now. Now you can see this one is our continuation candle to the upside and then push downside. This is a candle here and then gap down. And this indicator, sometime you can see the entire candle are combined. That's why this move happened here. Right. You can check sometime to hide this one, because this indicator actually combine the whole candle. Then sometime you will be confused. Right. Okay. Please don't write here. Will be more better if you write, ask in a chat section. Then I can understand what are you saying and writing. This order block is a valid because the above it mitigate here by the next candle, and this one is also. And then you have to move your uh, order block on the next candle, like here, and then here, and this one here, until find the proper imbalance. That's why. Sir, boss done with gap up, down with that boss valid or not? Of course, valid if candle close below it or above it. Okay. Okay, everyone. So I hope everything is clear to you here, right? And this is a main target here. Market reach the previous, I think this one is a previous low. Yeah. I noticed that you have not replying question, answer, suggestion, either Telegram, Instagram. Sir, actually my manager, like you can say, account, social media manager, manage my Telegram and Instagram. Sometime I check Telegram and Instagram, but most of the time he manage all question answer and these thing, because in a day so many question answer, so not possible for me also to reply everyone one by one. That's why. But you can ask me here anytime on a weekly webinar. Every time you can ask. Sir, when we use FVG for PY, every time you can use. Simple. First one is our order flow, and the next one is our FVG, and extreme one is order flow. Right. Mark till end. Okay, sir. So, first of all, remove this one. Okay. So this is a higher high and this is a higher low, right? But you have to wait for it to break this one, either break this one, either break this low. If break this low, this become our chalk. If break above this one is also become chalk, right? How to mark initial liquidity? Sir, you don't need to mark the initial liquidity. You have to focus on simply on extreme POI, right? But if you wish to marking the instability everything, you can study 2.2 ebook where I explain everything. So no need to worry anything about it. All right. So press close of it, and this become our another chalk here. Can you see the picture? Sir, I will see the picture, your question answer later once I finish this one. Okay. So there's a chalk happen here again. Market taken out this inducement here, mitigate this order block. Let me mark this one. And this process will be continue here like this, higher high, taken out this inducement, mitigate your unmitigated order block, and you can buy here. Like this one, also buy here based on single candle order block. Right. And this one is a failed here. So if market failed the decisional PY, it means market momentum looking for the downside again. Why? Because this one is our decisional PY. Decisional PY is a failed. So how you can deal? You have to focus on your extreme. So where is our extreme order block? In this case, this one, right? So once market fail your decisional POI, then you have to focus on like switch your perspective just against the major trend, right? Major trend is the bullish, and now you have to sell. When you can sell in this case, everyone. Now I need to ask. Okay. Now you can see. Where is our inducement, everyone? Mark, everyone. Okay, perfect. This is our inducement, correct. Where you are looking for sell, everyone. Please don't do overdraw. Okay, perfect. Yes, sir. Correct. Look at this one. What happened here exactly? This one is our decisional PY here, right? When market create a decisional PY and market give reaction, then definitely you should buy here because this is a decisional, right? You can take enter here for the buy. But if decisional PY failed, right, then you have to perspective, then your perspective will be changed. And you have to identify where is inducement. This one is an inducement at the current price action. If market taken out this inducement and mitigate your unmitigated order block. So where is our unmitigated order block? And shadow, this one. And where is our next one? This one. So basically we have a 2 PY, but you can sell if market create single candle order block reaction on 2 PY because we have a 2 PY, decisional and extreme. This is a decisional and this is a extreme, right? So simply you can sell if price tap there. So first of all, let's wait for it. No, sir, you don't need to buy here because this one is our inducement and this one is our mitigation. Sorry, order block. Tap here and give reaction and failed. We check, sir. What happened here? Sir, this is our order block here. This is a inducement. Tap here, mitigate this order block and give reaction, create single candle order block, mitigate this one, and we can buy here. So this one is a mitigate here also already. There is no imbalance there. But if you wish to mark this as a this side of here, you can mark here, but there is a no reaction at this point. Okay. Okay, so this is our inducement at this point, and you have to wait for it to take out the inducement before the sell. So right now, this become our new inducement here, right? And now you can sell here. This is a decisional and extreme. So let's see what happened next after this one. Okay. This is a decisional. There is no action here, and tap on extreme. And when press tap on your extreme, then you can take a decision for the entry. So where is our entry in this case? Okay. The previous candle high broken, close below it, refinement here. And if you wish to take entire candle, then you can take in this one. Okay, let's see. Okay, mitigate this one. And if you wish to here switch in a 1 minute time frame to take like a additional confirmation and refinement, then you can take here and first entry here, put the stop loss just above it and target the main low, this one, right? Bank Nifty chart is choppy. Yes, sir. This market is choppy almost, but we have to done trade in a every market. Everyone trade in a different sector. Okay, so let's see. Price tap here and create chalk. Okay, let's see. Okay, there is no chalk here. No, sir, this is not chalk. Chalk happen here at this point. Chalk push downside and create complete structure change here. Again, you have to wait for it. Chalk here, taken out the inducement, mitigate this order block, you can sell here. Put the stop loss just above it for this uh, refinement, and this is a safer side. And the target similar, this one. Here we don't need inducement. Why, sir? Yes, sir. Yes, sweep, exactly. Sweep here, so we don't need inducement also, right? If you wish, then you can sell here. Tap here, price. But right now, if you can see here, if you are willing to sell here, then stop loss will be very larger. You can also sell here, right? But you have to put the stop loss just for it for the safer side. If you are willing to sell after taking out the inducement, which is a additional confidence, this is a not a bad idea. This is also good idea for the enter. Okay, great. Okay, this one is also broken, this one, right? Sweep this one, mitigate this order block and sell. And this become our loss, right? Now switch again in a 15-minute time frame. All right. Okay, so this is a current price action here, and market again taken out this high, sweep this one, and create any single candle order block here, and then you can again sell here at this point. Also, either market mitigate this unmitigated side over here, then you can sell here. Ugly price action. Yes, sir. In a bank nifty stock index pairs are very bad like price action. Very scary. Yes, sir. Okay, so bank nifty is done here. So if there is any question, you can ask related this one. After 4 hour chalk structure, below is a police unmitigated order block available. So we after 4 hour structure chalk. You did not answer my question. What's your question? How to enter based on PDH, PDL? Sweep one example. So I explain in a details in an ebook and videos also. When market sweep the high and low, PDS, PDL. Poppy, you ask a question. I have a question in the scale first two and extreme. If I don't have FSC and first. Poppy, your answer is a two, not one, because one is almost mitigated. That's why. If after taken out the inducement, not sweep, price create single counter order block, net type on TBS, so we can sell or buy. Yes, sir, you can take enter, buy, sell, but we need chalk and flip confirmation, not SUB only. Because SUB only applicable when sweep the high or low or price type on PUI. Yes, sir, two is extreme. Please show me on 1 hour. 1 hour maybe same story रहेगी. This is a 1 hour. Next webinar, which pair? So, sir, it's up to you that which pair you would like to backtest in the next webinar. In Indian market, if I want to do intraday, what should I do? Index, stock, currency, commodity. Sir, I will suggest you trade only high volumes pair only. GPUSD, okay, Euro USD, NES 100, Euro USD, okay. XAUSD. I think gold I already done. Let's try a different pair. High volume different pair. Bitcoin. Okay. Bitcoin is also done. Everyone, you have to Like check description in a past a weekly webinar, then you can understand that which webinar I mentioned, which pair I have done a back testing, question answer, and market recap. So easily you can understand. Aussie USD was also done, but in the next week, I will create a poll in a community. Then definitely I will make a decision better. GBP has a volume. Yes, sir. Sir, can you backtest more in a next week? Because it's a very powerful way to learn from you and see how you trade. Yes, sir. I do every week webinar, at least 2 times in a month, at least I do. First of all, stop this recording.